My dear viewers, I would like to present you today 4 amazing items that you can use for doll curls. So let's start with number 4. It's simple hairpins, and I'm sure you have already seen them in my frenzy flip video. Now let's come to number 3. So my number 3 is pipe cleaners. I think I've never shown you how to do curls with pipe cleaners, but that's no problem. It's plain easy, it's very simple. You do it like we do it every time when we curl the hair of a Barbie doll. I don't have hot and cold water here, but I would start after putting the curls in the hair with the hot water. Let her in there for 1 or 2 minutes and then put her in the bowl with cold water. And now you can bend them in every direction like you want. That's very easy. Then we have here curls done with a straw. Here is what curls with a straw look like. That's a doll I rerouted several years ago, and then I used straws and hairspray for this very creative hairstyle. By the way, you can also see her in my tutorial for easy curls in under 15 minutes for a longer time if you want. My number 2 for creating curls is using curlers that you have at home. That's one of my curlers. I have several different kinds of curlers at home, but that's the one I've used often in the last 15 years. And you can also bend them in every direction you want. That's for bigger curls than the one with the pipe cleaner. So that's my number 2, the bendable curlers, and curlers you have at home. And my number 1 for creating is using your own creativity. That's a reroute I did 7 or 8 years ago, and she has hair until ankles. Like always, you know, I'm a big fan of creating long-haired reroutes. And I used here my fantasy to create this kind of curls hairstyle. I think it's very unusual, but you can create whatever you want, no matter what you use for curls. You can even use toilet paper rolls for curls or whatever you have at home. So don't be uncreative. Use whatever you have at home. I think that's important. My dear viewers, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy in the next weeks. I hope you like my little video and you give me a thumbs up. Share and comment if you want. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!